Here I have Samsung Galaxy F04, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. Now you can eject it with your bare hands. So here you have to insert your SD card and you have to insert your SIM card into one of these two slots. So this one is SIM 2 and this one is SIM 1, so we're gonna use slot SIM 1. And then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.